Guys, welcome back to the London car scene and welcome to my Astra VXR review. So one of the main features on this Astra VXR is the sport button. Obviously when you press it, a light comes on, orange. It makes the dashboard look very nice, and it says sport on the button. That's about it. Tyres, I just put some Dunlop tyres on it, very sticky, but could be made more sticky with sticky products from superstores. Extra cornering power around these corners, these tight corners. Here we go, here's one really tight corner coming up. Look at that stickiness of those tyres, absolutely class. Power wise, this car gives you 550 brake horsepower, and if you've got a Ferrari or any supercar, then come give me a race because I'm ready for you. I have been told that this car is actually better left-hand drive, so luckily I've been managed to source one of these cars for you, and here it is. If I just quickly swap over to a view of me driving the left-hand drive version of this car. Left-hand drive version doesn't feel much different, and to be honest it's the same. Back over to the right-hand drive. Now, one of the benefits of having this car, oh my god, you need to see this, guys. This is the fucking fastest car I've seen on the road. Let me just swivel this round for you. Here we go. We are hitting speeds of 20 miles an hour here. Yep, this is on a national speed limit road. We're picking up speed to about 30. We're going to prepare for an emergency stop any second now. We're being overtaken by a Range Rover. Here we go, race. The Range Rover is currently in first place, the Citroen C3 following not too far behind. Speeds now going up to 31 miles per hour. We are now hitting the sound barrier limit, and we are going downhill, so we are starting to slow down. The aerodynamics of the Citroen C3 unfortunately slowing this car down. Here we go, starting to pick up a bit of speed now and slowing back down. The speed of this car is simply too fast for an overtake from the VXR. I would not dream of even attempting an overtake. Oh, here comes a bird! Oh, he was trying to commit suicide, but the Citroen C3 was going too slow. Unfortunately, the bird just had a little knock on the head and managed to continue flying. Good feature that comes standard with this VXR is the reverse sensors. First gear and the sensors cut off. One of the many good features of this car. Exhaust wise, the Remus exhaust on this car would probably match up with the sounds of a Zonda, Ferrari 5A, Lamborghini. In fact, I'd probably say it is louder. The suspension on this car is top class. You get no hard suspension or bangs. It simply bounces over the little bumps in the road, and you don't feel a thing. If the Morrison's van in front of me does hit the curb, which it nearly done, and flips over, this car protects me. It will just simply bounce off this car.
back. Summer.